All right, you.
What?
You have been reading that same page for an hour.
Have I?
Yeah, you have.
Is there anything I can help you with, Dad?
Huh?
We can do it phonetically.
Thanks a lot, son, but I'm all right.
You know what you need?
No, what's that?
To spend some quality time away with a family unit.
What do you mean, like a trip?
Yeah.
A holiday, remember?
I know what holidays
We
are.
can relax.
Oh, relax? Like we're not relaxing right now?
Dad.
Wait, do nothing? Really do nothing?
Nothing?
Come on, a holiday.
Ah,
Get a little exercise. Get you into that suit.
get a little exercise. I like it.
At IKEA, we design quality home furnishings you can afford because we know you want more out of life.
What do you say, Dad?
I think you might have inherited a little of the old man's intelligence.
He inherited your nose.